I'm going to turn it over to Gareth to walk you through how this website works.
Thank you, Governor. So as the Governor just mentioned, from day one, facts, transparency, putting out the numbers has been key to giving teachers and parents confidence. And the school report card, which the Department of Health manages, collects two sets of data every single day. One is from the surveys. These are surveys that every school in the New York State must send back to the Department of Health every day. And the second is the data we collect from labs. Let me just walk you through both of those. The first is on the survey data. Every day, schools submit to the Department of Health the current teaching model for the school. Is it in person? Is it remote only? Is it hybrid? The number of enrolled students, teachers, and staff who are on-site or off-site. Number of COVID tests and positive results for on-site students, teachers, and staff, and the same for off-site. In addition, so that is currently on the website. In addition, starting today, New Yorkers will have a second set of data to be able to, that is directly collected from the labs. Let me briefly explain. Every lab that is licensed by New York State to test for COVID reports to the Department of Health all the results every day, including the names, the ages, and the addresses of the individuals who are tested. They're required by law to do that. We track this daily. For example, of the 93,000 test results reported yesterday to the state of New York, just about 5,000 of those results were for individuals aged 5 through 17 years old, school-age population. Of those 5,000 results, there are about 90 positive cases. We have now added that data from the labs to our school report card that matches the address of that individual, age 5 through 17 years old, with the school district within which they live. So that is what I'm going to show you here. I will note that the data, you now will have that data from the labs, and you'll have that data from the school surveys. It will not always match up perfectly because sometimes when the school district reports and when the lab reports, there might be a slight lag. But the goal here really is to give parents and New Yorkers full transparency. If the school district isn't reporting all the cases they should, you'll at least have it from the labs as well. And every day we work to try to collect more and better data, and as we do that, we'll continue adding it to this dashboard. So for example, is it up on the screen here? You go to schoolcovidreportcard.health.ny.gov, and you click on public schools. And let's say you enter in the upstate district in Onondaga County of Baldwinsville Central School District. Click search. Here is the first landing page. You see up at the top the overall data. This first column is from the labs. The second one is from what the school district has reported. And you can scroll down to see on a school by school level. And let's say we click on the school district. Here you can have here is the full data. So the top chart you have, this is all the lab reported data at the top. 263 total tests since September 1st. Last 14 days, 225 total tests, 154 last 7 days, and 3 total positives. So that is from the labs. That is the data we collect from the labs. Then you go down to what the school has reported. And as you can see, they've reported 3 students have tested positive and 0 teachers and staff. And you can go down further. You see there'll be some charts. There's the enrollment and employment data. You can see of the 6,000 total students, teachers, and staff, 4,200 are on-site, 1,800 are off-site. So this, you can search us by the school district, you can search us by your address, and it will give now 2 sets of data for all New Yorkers to be able to see what are the testing results on school district and on the school level.
Thank you.